Today, we are going to cook mushrooms. We are using king oyster and enoki mushrooms. Rinse the king oyster mushrooms under running water. For the enoki mushrooms, cut away the woody stem. Give it a quick rinse. Slice the king oyster mushrooms. We can now start sauteing the onions and garlic for about 2 minutes. Push the onion and garlic to one side of the wok and add king oyster mushrooms. Fry briefly. You should be able to smell the intense mushroom aroma at this point in time. Add a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of soy sauce, and a bowl of water. Add some black soy sauce for color. Simmer for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, add enoki mushroom. If it is too dry, add some water. Do not add too much water at this stage, as the mushrooms will release a lot of water as we cook. Let it simmer for another 4 minutes. At this point, you can add some salt or soy sauce to taste. Finally, add some cornstarch solution to thicken the sauce. Enjoy.